I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to dispute the transaction on your PNC card, follow these steps to make the process smoother. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant details about the transaction you want to dispute, including the date, amount, and merchant name. This information will be crucial for your dispute. Step 2. Log into your account. Access your PNC online banking account or mobile app. Navigate to the section where you can view your recent transactions. Step 3. Locate the transaction. Find the specific transaction you wish to dispute. Click on it to see more details and look for the option to dispute the charge. Step 4. Complete the dispute form. Fill out the dispute form with the required information, including your reason for disputing the charge. Be as detailed as possible to support your claim. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your dispute, keep an eye on your email or account notifications for updates. You may need to provide additional information or documentation. Remember, if you notice a transaction that looks suspicious, act quickly to dispute it. Good luck, and I hope this helps you resolve your issue.